Here's one of the tanks. I'm gonna run a dual tank setup on this for this. I bought one new tank. My old truck, I had a set of train horns on it. So I still have the old tank from it. Here's it right here. The old tank. I thought they were gonna be the same size, but apparently they're not. I thought this was a 2.5 gallon. I know this one is a 2.5 gallon for sure. Maybe 3, looking at it now. But yeah, basically how I'm gonna have it. I have 2 tanks. I have one compressor that came with the new tank, all the fittings and stuff. Running 2 compressors, one for each tank. I also have the horns right here. Hey guys, we're back. Yes, it is dark outside. It's been a couple hours since the last time I updated you guys. Basically been running back and forth to the store, picking up stuff. Right now we're in the process of drilling all the holes. I mocked everything up. So this 16 gauge sheet metal. Once I paint this, I'll lay everything out and show you guys how I'm gonna run all the fittings, what fittings I used, and all of that, blah blah blah. So yeah, I just wanted to update you guys since it's been a while, and yeah, we'll get back to you in a second. Welcome back, guys. It's the next day. It got pretty late yesterday. Didn't get to wrap it up. So today we're finishing up where we left off. So I haven't been getting much time today to do it. So I'm doing piece by piece as I get time. But show you guys what we got. Here's the horns. You can see how I am painted. First I painted them blue with the blue paint to match the truck. Then I decided to get a little creative and go over it with the little gold. See, I painted the tank gold, and the other tank will be gold as well. But this thing is pretty heavy, guys. I'd say this with both tanks, both compressors, and the horns, I'd probably say this thing's gonna weigh close to 40 pounds, 50 pounds. And yeah, it's pretty heavy. I don't know how I'm gonna mount it by myself. I'm gonna have to get someone to help me lift it up and hold it up while I put the bolts in, but that's gonna be the hard part. While I'm sitting here waiting on that to dry over there, I've been working on this. I'm gonna put a quick connect so I can air up my tires when need be. Since I took the spare tire off, you know, need something to get you outside the road so I can air my tires up. So basically, I got one of the little quick disconnect fittings with the little male end on it to go through the I used the hole where the spare tire mount guide thing. This is what I call trying to install the horns by yourself. They're so heavy that I can't lift them by myself and bolt them down at the same time, so I'm attempting to try to jack them up so I can get it as close as possible up there. Probably can't see, but that's that. What's going on, guys? We finally finished it up. Got everything ran and installed. It's looking pretty good. Show you guys the switches. Here we got the trigger switch for the horns. Hit that, fires them. Here I mounted the compressor switch. I turn this on and it'll run until it's full and it'll shut itself off. And I can manually shut this off so I won't run my battery. So like now they're on. They're not that loud, but I'm definitely gonna put some rubber or something under there to minimize some of the rattling. But here's the horns. Everything installed, painted, looking pretty good. Like the way the paint came out on the horns and the tanks. Here's the pressure gauge. See it going up there. Air at my tires. And there you go, got compressed air. I'll do another video another day of me blowing them. If you guys enjoyed the video, stay tuned for more to come with this F350. The build is only the beginning. A lot more to come. So I hope you guys continue to tune in, continue to support the channel. Appreciate it.